Everyone, I am Naina and my friends Nisarga and Divya. Today we are here to present project on topic smart glasses for blind man. Let us study aim and objectives of our project. We want blind people to see not literally but make life a little bit easier for them, and that's going to be our goal. Our main purpose of this project is to put some hope in blind people and make the society accept them more.
हाँ.
Smart glasses. Smart glasses are eye or headphone wearable computers that offer useful capabilities to the user. Many smart glasses include displays that add information alongside or to what the wearer sees. Alternatively, smart glasses are sometimes defined as glasses that are able to change their optical properties, such as smart sunglasses that are programmed by electronic means. Software used mainly Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip ATmega328P, which is 8-bit microcontroller. The microcontroller board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input or output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion ports and other circuits. The board has 14 digital input or output pins, 6 analog input or output pins, and it is programmable with the Arduino IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. The Arduino Uno is a popular microcontroller board used for building electronics objects. Now it is handed over to Mr.
IR sensor. An infrared sensor is an electronic device that detects infrared radiation from the objects in the field of view. Working principle of IR sensor is it works on the principle of optics. An IR sensor works by applying a voltage to a pair of IR light emitting diodes, which in turn emit infrared light. IR sensor conserves a low power. It is compact and lightweight, can work in the light condition. Buzzer. A buzzer is an electronic device that produces sound when powered. It is commonly used in various applications, including alarms, timers, and games and notifications. Buzzers work by converting electrical energy into mechanical vibration, which produces audible sound waves. When an alternating current is applied to the buzzer, it creates a vibration in the diaphragm, resulting in a sound. The voltage range of the buzzer is typically operate on low voltage, around 3 volt to 12 volt. The size of the buzzer is compact and lightweight, suitable for the embedded design.
Now it's a time to demonstrate. In this project, we are using IR sensor, Arduino Uno, buzzer, and 9-volt battery. Now I am connecting 9-volt battery to Arduino Uno.
Blind people feel difficult to lead their life. When in front of them any obstacles or any person stand, they are unable to sense. By using this system, they can sense by sound. In this system is helpful for the blind peoples. Now there is no obstacle. If any obstacle come near the system, it starts sensing. With the help of this, blind people are able to sense any obstacles, or they are able to understand any people are standing in front of them. In this way, this system is helpful for the blind people. Here are some advantages of this system. Smart glasses guides the blind people, alerts through the voice-based message system, obstacle detection using the IR sensor, distance finder sensor, efficient low-cost design, and low power consumption. Here are some advantages. Smart glasses guides the blind people, alerts through a voice-based message system, obstacle detection using a IR distance finder sensor, efficient low-cost design, and low power consumption. Here are some applications too. It works as a navigation device for the blind people. This system can be used to navigate by everyone, not only visually impaired under certain circumstances, like a foggy mornings with a low visibility. Some winter mornings are foggy where the visibility is very low. Then this system can be used. This system can be used by the patient suffering with various eye ailments like cataract, exophthalmia, post-eye operative situation and others. This system can be modified into a more sophisticated version of itself by using a high-intensity ultrasonic waves to be used as a navigation system for geological explorations.
Let's see some future scope. Smart glasses can detect the obstacle presence from a longer distance and also help